Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the new Samsung Galaxy A52 versus the Oppo Reno 5. And guys, and both phones is give you a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset, which is based on 8nm architecture, and also we have 8GB of RAM on both phones. And the difference between these two devices is in the software. We have a ColorOS version 11.1 as compared to Samsung One UI 3.1 on the Samsung Galaxy A52. So I am really excited to see that how is the Oppo Reno 5 is stack up against the new Samsung Galaxy A52, which is a new mid-range phone from Samsung. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. And guys, on both phones is completely off. Now let's start off with the boot up test. Like always, here we go. And the logo it is here just a tiny bit more faster on the Reno 5, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A52. And also both phones is running on Android 11, so that's really nice as well. And let's see which one is going to be the fastest one when it comes to booting up. And you can see Oppo Reno 5, it is more faster when it comes to booting up, beat the Samsung Galaxy A52 when it comes to booting up. And now A52 is take a lot of time in the boot up wise, and I don't know why. And now the Samsung Galaxy A52, it is also done, and you can see about 8 to 9 second difference, maybe more, between these two devices when it comes to booting up. And guys, you can see that, and both phones give you a beautiful display. We have a Full HD Super AMOLED display on both phones, and both phones also has a 90Hz refresh rate display. So both phones looks really smooth as well. And also both phones also has a punch hole, which is little bit more smaller on the A52 as compared to the Oppo Reno 5. And guys, everything's closed up in the background, no app is running in the background. And also we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go. And that is exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. And also both phones also has very smooth animation, so that's a really good thing as well. Now let's see settings, and that is more faster on the Reno 5, followed by the A52. Now let's see YouTube, and that is definitely more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A52, followed by the Reno 5. Now let's see the scrolling, and feels exactly the same on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Again, we have 90Hz refresh rate display on both phones. Now let's see some more application. We have Amazon shopping on both phones, and that is more faster on the A52, followed by the Reno 5, just a tiny bit faster there. Now let's see the scrolling, and feels again really smooth. Now let's check out some games application. Now let's start off with the Candy Crush Saga. Both phones has a Snapdragon 720G, and exactly the same on both phones, but honestly Reno 5 it is just a tiny bit faster. Subway Surfer and Samsung Infinity O display looks better than the Oppo Reno 5 punch hole. And you can see Reno 5 it is again just a tiny bit faster there. And also Samsung Galaxy A52 also has dual speakers, which is not really available on the Reno 5. So that's a unique thing on the A52 over the Reno 5. Now let's see the pinout on both phones. Next game application, and that is exactly the same on both phones. Now let's see the Temple Run 2 on both phones. Last game application we have in this speed test, and again Reno 5 it is faster there, while the A52 it is also right behind there, about 1 second difference there. And you can see Reno 5 it is completely done, followed by the A52 as well. Now let's see Spotify, faster on the, and you can see exactly the same on both phones at the end. Instagram, and that is little bit more faster on the A52. Opening up the Twitter, and that is definitely faster on the Reno 5, followed by the A52. Zedge, and that is exactly the same. Again, you guys will judge of the speed test. So now let's see the scrolling on both phones, really smooth, no lag whatsoever. Again, we have 90Hz refresh rate display on both phones. Let's see Snapchat, Again, exactly the same. And one thing it is also really unique on the A52 is that in the camera application we also have this mode which is called as fun, and this mode give you a Snapchat filters right in your camera app, so that's a really unique thing as well. We also have ultra wide option in this mode as well, which means that and the Snapchat quality it is amazing on the A52. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, here we go, and that is more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A52 followed by the Reno 5. Okay guys, now let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using the default Samsung internet browser on my Samsung Galaxy A52 as compared to Google Chrome on the Reno 5, wikipedia.org, and that is definitely faster on the A52 followed by the Reno 5. Now let's see the scrolling, and guys, it feels more smoother on the Samsung Galaxy A52 because I don't see any 90Hz refresh rate madness on the Reno 5 in this application. I don't know why. I think that this application it is not really optimized right now for the Reno 5, but A52 it is 90Hz, really smooth. So guys, now let's see the RAM management on both phones, and both phones has a 8GB of RAM. Phone dialer, no refresh. Let's see settings, again no refresh. YouTube, Amazon shopping, and it is a in-app refresh. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, no refresh again. Subway Surfer, same result. Let's see Pinout. Let's see Temper and 2, Spotify, Instagram. Let's see the Twitter, Zedge. Let's see Snapchat. Last we're back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, what I have to say regarding the app's opening speed is definitely more faster on the Oppo Reno 5 in game app loading time, but in system-based application both phones is perform exactly the same. And also there are so many unique features that is only available on the Samsung Galaxy A52 is that with the A52 we also have optical image stabilization, which is something not really available on the Reno 5. And also the A52 also has IP67 water and dust resistance, so that's a really unique thing as well. And also the RAM management is absolutely incredible on both phones, no difference in terms of the RAM management wise. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A52 versus the Oppo Reno 5. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.